You might be asking, Daniel, why are we covering concepts? Just show me how to do stuff. And I understand that's what most software training does. However, if you want to have a deep understanding of Storyline, you need to know its underlying concepts. Concepts that will guide you as you design and develop your training. The first one I want to touch on is layers, triggers, and states. Layers, triggers, and states are the main tools to building interactive content in Storyline. A layer is a section of the slide where additional content is displayed, usually in response to the learner doing something. For example, in this scenario, I click on this choice, and a layer of related content is revealed. The cool thing about layers from a developer's perspective is that they allow you to keep related content on one slide, which will speed up your development process and keep you better organized. From a learner's perspective, layers permit a more seamless experience of the content, less herky-jerky slide-to-slide movement. Getting back to this particular slide, I close this layer by clicking on the Close button, which has a trigger applied to it. A trigger makes things happen. If you want to open a layer, close a layer, or change an object's state, you'll be inserting a trigger. Now, did you notice how our character's appearance changes depending on the choice we make? Objects in your slide, whether they be characters, buttons, or text boxes, can be formatted to have different appearances or states. On this slide, I've inserted a trigger that tells Storyline to change the character's state depending on what choice is selected. You'll also notice that the state of the button changes when I hover over it. We'll be going into more detail regarding these elements, but for now, know that layers, triggers, and states are the main tools for building interactive content in Storyline.